Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So we're back at it again with another HelloFresh video. So now in this box we've got some offers on the top about sending a free box to your friend. And the next thing we have are our recipe cards. So we're doing the grilling cheese tikka masala, our black bean and blue corn crunch burritos. Now I didn't mention it in my previous video, but I'm going to mention it now. There are ice packs in the box, but as soon as you get your box, it's good to take out your bags of food and put them in the fridge immediately. Okay, so the burritos were extremely filling and they were literally overflowing when I was trying to wrap them, so I definitely think that this was a good portion. So the cheese had Mediterranean style, which is weird because this is supposed to be an Indian dish, but anyways. So in this box I could tell there was a little bit more like dark blemishes on the cilantro that wasn't there in our first box, but overall I still think it's pretty fresh. Now here I'm adding the curry paste, but I was just thinking I kind of wish they told you how to make the curry paste, because if you ever want to make the recipe again, you have the recipe card, but you don't really know what goes in the curry paste, so you can't really recreate it exactly. So during this step, the cheese seemed to almost melt and start clumping together. I'm not really sure what happened because I was following the directions and letting it simmer. So yeah, I'm not really sure, but it still turned out really good. I really like this specific recipe because they were able to like add a cultural spin to like everyday regular ingredients. So this is how it turned out, and I'll admit I was a little scared about portion sizing, but as soon as I started eating, I started feeling full. And the only critique I have is that it tasted a little sour, but other than that, it was phenomenal. It was like, I was really looking forward to this recipe, and they just hit it out of the park. My biggest concern about HelloFresh is like how healthy these recipes are. I don't think this should be on a permanent basis. I think the whole idea of HelloFresh is really fun, and I really enjoyed cooking all of these meals. I think this is a good option if you just want to give it a try because it's very easy to cancel or skip a week, and that's what I love about HelloFresh. It's very transparent and they're not trying to like trick you or anything. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any questions about HelloFresh, be sure to leave it in the comments down below. If you liked watching this video, be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye!